Meaning of engrossed.
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 Engrossed. The word engrossed means to be completely absorbed or deeply involved in something. When a person is engrossed in an activity, they are fully focused on it and may not even notice other things happening around them. They may feel a sense of excitement, interest, or enjoyment as they engage with the activity. Being engrossed can lead to a sense of satisfaction and accomplishment, as the person feels fully immersed in what they are doing. It can also help to improve their skills and knowledge in that area, as they continue to practice and learn.